Good morning, students. Welcome to LP Savani Riverside School, Daboli, Surat, Standard 7, Subject Mathematics, Chapter number 4, Simple Equation. In previous lecture, we learned about exercise 4.2 up to question number 3. Let's we begin with the question number 4. Solve the following equation. In this example, you have to solve the equation and you have to find the value of any variable which is given in the question. So which is given in the question. So the question is 100p 10p is equal to 100. So first of all we have to remove 10 from the equation to make alone p. Okay, so just divide 10 from the both side of the equation. So after dividing 10 we got the 0 0 cancel and after 0 0 cancel. So here you can see that p is equal to 10 over here. So dividing both side by using 10. Okay, so we in this way we can get the value of p is equal to 10 over here. After that, let's we take another example. 10p plus 10 is equal to 100. So 10p plus 10, that is 100. So first of all remove 10 from the equation. So I subtract 10 from the both side of the equation. After subtracting that, 10 cancel. So only 10p is remaining, and after 100 minus 10 we got the 90 over here. We got 90 over here. So 10p is equal to 90. Okay, so 10p is equal to 90. Then after we have to remove 10 over here to find out the p. Our target is make alone p. Okay, so we divide the 10 from the both side of the equation. So here 0 0 cancel, here also 0 0 cancel. So then after we get the p is equal to 9. And which process you done, write on the bracket compulsory. Okay, so it containing some marks also. Let's we took another example. P upon 4 is equal to 5. So P upon 4 is equal to 5. Multiply P upon 4 with the 4 at the both side of the equation. Okay, so here 4 cancel. So we got P here, and 5 multiplied by 4, that is a 20. Another new example is P is minus P upon 3 is equal to 5. This is the same example as question number 3. So that is in your homework. Then after we take another example, 3p upon 4. In the 3p upon 4 is equal to 6. We can got our first process is multiply both side with the help of 4, because we want to remove 4 from the denominator. So 4 cancel at the both side of the equation. Then after 6 4s are 24 over here. So 3p is equal to 24. That is our equation. And after that divide 3p is equal to 24, divide by 3 at the both side of the equation. So after that we can get 3 cancel over here, 8 3s are 24. So our answer is p is equal to 8 over here. Next example, 3s. This is the not 35, it is a 3s is equal to minus 9. It is same example as upper. So that is in your homework. Try it and submit it today. After that we have to take another example. That is 3s plus 12 is equal to 0. In this example, first of all we have to remove 12 over here. So 12 minus 12, that is 0. 0 minus 12, that is minus 12. So I write the caption over here, subtraction both side by 12. After that we have to after that we got the 3s after removing 12 and is here we have to minus 12. I just cut one step and put directly 3s upon 3 and minus 12 upon 3 by dividing both side of the equation. So put the 3 cancel, 3 4s are 12 over here. So s is equal to minus 4. That is our equation. 3s upon 3 and 0 upon 3, that is a s is equal to 0, dividing both sides by 3 over here. Then after another example is 2q plus 2q is equal to 6 and divide 2q upon 2 and 6 by 2 both sides of the equation. After that 2 cancel and 2 3s are 6. So q is equal to 3 over here. So in this way you can solve the any example. Let's we take another example. 2q minus 6 is equal to 0. So I don't write caption here, that is in your homework you have to write caption. I don't, okay, because you know which process we have to done. So minus 6 plus 6, that is 0, and here 0 plus 6. I just adding 6 at the both side of the equation because I want to remove minus 6 from the equation. So I just adding 6 at the both side. Then after I got the 2q plus 2q is equal to 6 over here. After that divide 2q with the help of 2 and 6 with the help of 2. So 2 cancel over here, 2 3s are 6 over here. So q is equal to 3. Example number 2 cube 11, that is a 2q plus 6 is equal to 0. So in first term I just subtract 6 from the both side. After that I got 2q is equal to minus 6 over here. After that divide 2q upon 2 and minus 6 upon 2, divide both side with the help of 2. Then the 2 cancel and 2 3s are 6. So in this way I can get q is equal to minus 3 over here. So that is our final answer. Next question, 2q plus 6 is equal to 12, that is in your homework. Okay, so try it in your homework. I give you 3 examples which is in your homework, and today's lecture I just repeat the hints. First hint is you have to remove the extra terms which is hurdle to find out the variables. Then after divide or multiply with the terms terms at the both side of the equation, and after that you have to find the answer of that equation. Okay, in this way you can easily find out the value of the variable, or you can find the value of any kind of term from the simple equation. Okay, thank you so much.